Right, boys and girls, so the side protector panels for E34 finished, so we're gonna whack them on now. Looks like Duke's done a pretty good job, so let's see how they look on. Carrying on to work on the E34. We've already finished spraying the side rim. Now I'm just taking off all the front rim. Now to take this off, you don't need to take the bumper off, as you can see. You just have to break off the plastic ends, and then it's just clipped on. Right, the next, apparently quite tough bit, is to take this off. Now, this whole front panel needs to come off if you want to paint these plastic lights, because they're screwed in. So there's a clip somewhere here. That basically clips there. So we're gonna try and take it off. Now, instead of scratching your car, you can get these special panel removal bits for about $5 for a set, and then just lodge them in. See, you already removed half of it, and just kind of pull it back with this and your fingers, and they will eventually all clip off. Okay, so we've taken off these covers. I'm gonna buy new ones because painting them, it's not really gonna help, because you keep touching it with your key and stuff, and your paint will just flake off. So it's easier just to buy new ones. These bits I'm gonna wrap so they're a bit more durable. Then we're gonna take off all these panels which have weathered. They're just clipped on again, so we're gonna use the special BMW panel tools to take them off. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Taking off the front now, ready for painting. Now, if you remember, all this is clipped on really, except for the headlight, plastic covers bits. There are, I think, about 5 screws, so make sure you don't rip them out. You unscrew them first, so you don't need to take the bumper off to remove all this. So here we've got all the bits that we're going to paint today. This requires a bit more sanding down. Now, if you don't sand down properly, this will happen. Where's the example of it? Not on this one, on this one here. You see that? You don't want that. So sand it down a bit more, and then you're safe to paint. So you recognize the front. So the main bit now is to use some degreaser. Degrease it all nicely. I'm not even going to prime it. I'll give it a go. Painting it just on plastic. Should be alright, touch wood. So I'll show you the results in a bit. Okay, to take all these bits off, they're basically clipped on. So you just carefully prise them all off. I mean, I've only got one hand here, so I'm just gonna use both hands. Same here. You just kind of pull them out. Right, so this bit just you get it under there and just pull it up, so this whole thing just comes out. See, if your car was just standing in a car park, someone could come up and take it off. Now we're gonna be painting all this as well black, so I gotta take off the whole wing mirror, and also, in order to release that bit, you need to loosen up your door card on here, so you can pull it back, pull out this cover bit. Now we're gonna wrap it, because this looks shit, and then yeah, just a simple screw to take off your wing mirror. Okay, so these panels are off. This is off now. This, I can't figure out how to take it off, so I'm just gonna wrap this in some black vinyl. So next is this. Comes off very easy. Just lodge your tool in there and just go along, pulling it off like this carefully. Rear, same as the front. Just lift it up.